Do you want to make the subject in your photo stand out by blurring the background? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a background blur tool that can create a portrait-like effect even after the photo has been taken. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app and open a photo. For the best result, use a photo with a clearly visible subject such as a person, pet, flower, or object that stand out from the background. Then tap the edit icon at the bottom. Tap the tools icon and then tap background blur. Select the area you want in focus. For this example, let's simply tap the subject. Samsung automatically recognizes the object and keeps it in focus while blurring the background. Now, use the slider below the photo. Slide to the right to increase the blur level. You can increase the blur level up to 7. For this example, let's increase the level. As you can see, the background becomes softer while the subject remains sharp and stand out more. When you are satisfied with the result, tap Done and then tap Save. And that's how you blur the background of photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.